Hello everybody, today we are going to be doing the very basics of Roblox Studio coding. In this tutorial, we're going to be going over the very simplistic part of Lua, which is variables, and how they can be very helpful in scripting. So let's start with that. We're going to get started by making a brand new script in any workspace, for example. I already have a basic one right here. Now, in Lua, we do local, which basically means only in this script. I mean, you don't have to do local, but it's suggested. So we can do local A is equal to a string. So let's do hello. Or we could do B is equal to world. Like that. That will work. We could do local A or A1 is equal to 25. We could do local A2 is equal to A1 plus 15, which would do A1, which is 25 plus 15. We could also do local A3 is equal to A2 plus A1, so that would do 25 plus 15 plus 25, and it would be A3. Or we could do print A1 ... which is like connecting a string, so we could do like is 25, because A1 right here is 25, because we set it right there, and then we put it right there to print. Then we have to connect the string, and then the space in the print. We can do 25 ... A2 ... string. So 25 plus 15 is 40. So we could do 40 is 40, like that. A2, which is A1, which is 25 plus 15, 40, that's A2, comma, space, ... A3 ... is, so we have 40, which is A2, because that, plus A1, which is 25, so we'd have 65. Now, if we go ahead and click play, you can see when we open console, it says 25 is 25, 40 is 40, 65 is 65. That's just the very basics we can do with variables. Another thing we can do in Roblox scripting, we can have a part in workspace. We can drag it out, make a nice cube. We'll name it cube in the explore menu, so it'll be named cube as shown there. We can do a local cube is equal to game, which is the game itself in Explorer. You can't see it. Then we have workspace, which is the workspace tab, and then we can see our little part name is cube, so we'll put cube. What we can also do is we can also grab other properties of the cube. So if we go ahead and explore and click cube, we can see in the properties tab we have all sorts of appearance, data, behavior. So we could do the transparency. So local cube transparency is equal to, we have our cube right here. We don't have to type game.workspace.cube again, because that'd just get really long. So instead we just gotta write this one line, and that will save it. So let me just do cube dot, we're doing transparency, so that's transparency, and that will set our transparency, which is 0. We can go ahead and set our transparency to 0.3. So if we do print cube transparency ... is our cube's transparency. Now if we go ahead and click play, then we press F9, it's 0, 3. Now, our math in the Lua is kind of different, so a very, very small difference. We'll go over how to fix this in an episode, but for now we're just going to stick with basics. See, there's our cube over there. What we can also do is combine strings. So we can do a local string 1 is equal to, string 1 is equal to, hello. Oh wait, we already have A and B right here, so let's just use A and B for an example. Just put that there again. We can do, print, well no, let's do, local C is equal to A dot B. Now what this will do is we'll make the variable C A, which is hello, then we'll connect the strings with the dot dot, and then add B, so that will be our B variable, which is world. Then we can do print C, and that should print hello world. So let's do our output is dot dot C. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look. You can see right, our output is hello world. That's all for variables. Later on we'll use variables for various other things. These are just the basics. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.